Let me ask you something uncomfortable. If your income stopped tomorrow, how long could you survive? A week? Maybe two? Most people can't answer that question confidently. Not because they don't earn enough, but because nobody ever gave them the rules. Today, that changes. I'm giving you 7 money rules that financially stable people follow without exception. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to never feel financially desperate again. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. This is the foundation everything else is built on. Pay yourself first. Most people pay their bills, spend what's left, and try to save the scraps. That's why most people have nothing saved. Flip the order. The moment your paycheck hits, automatically transfer a percentage to savings before you touch it. Even 10% is enough to start. You will adjust your lifestyle to whatever is left. Every time. This one habit alone separates people who build wealth from people who just earn it and spend it. Rule 2. Leave below your means. This doesn't mean live like you're broke. It means spend less than you earn. It sounds obvious, but the average American spends $1.10 for every $1 they make. That gap is debt, and debt is the enemy of financial stability. A practical guide. Keep your housing under 30% of your income. Transportation under 15%. That leaves real breathing room for saving and investing. Lifestyle inflation is the silent wealth killer. Every time you get a raise, resist the urge to upgrade everything immediately. Let that extra income build your future first. Rule 3. Build your emergency fund. This is your financial shock absorber. Without it, every unexpected expense, car repair, medical bill, job loss, becomes a crisis that sends you into debt. The target? 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Put it in a high-yield savings account, completely separate from your checking, and treat it like it doesn't exist unless it's a real emergency. Start small. Even $1,000 in the bank changes your psychology. It turns panic into inconvenience. Rule 4. Destroy high-interest debt. This is the one most people ignore. Eliminate high-interest debt aggressively. Credit card debt at 20 to 24% interest is a financial hole that gets deeper every single month. You cannot outinvest 24% interest. It doesn't exist. Use the avalanche method. Attack the highest interest debt first, while paying minimums on everything else. Once it's gone, redirect that payment to the next debt. Every dollar of high-interest debt you kill is an instant guaranteed return on your money. Nothing in the stock market can match that. Rule 5. Invest before you feel ready. Because here's the truth, you will never feel ready. There will always be a reason to wait. More debt to clear. More uncertainty. More I'll start next month. Time in the market beats timing the market. Every single time. Start with your employer's 401k, especially if they match contributions. That match is a 100% instant return on your money. Then open a Roth IRA. Then a basic index fund. You don't need to understand everything. You just need to start. $50 a month at 25 is worth more than $500 a month at 45. That's not motivation. That's compound interest math. Rule 6. Protect your income. Protect what you build. No one talks about this enough. Your ability to earn money is your single greatest financial asset, and most people leave it completely unprotected. At minimum, get health insurance to prevent a single hospital bill from wiping you out. Get term life insurance if someone depends on your income. And if your job or industry is unstable, start building a second income stream now. Freelancing. A side hustle, a skill you can monetize. Wealth isn't just about building. It's about not losing what you built. Rule 7. Track every dollar. Know where every dollar goes. You cannot manage what you don't measure. Most people genuinely have no idea where their money goes each month. And that's exactly why it disappears. You don't need a complicated system. You need one simple habit. At the end of every week, review your spending. Categorize it. Ask yourself, did this spending move me closer to or further from my goals? Use an app like Enab or Mint, a simple spreadsheet, or even a notes app. The tool doesn't matter. The habit does. Here's what ties all 7 rules together. Financially stable people don't have more money than you. They have better decisions than you. Every rule I just gave you is a decision. A choice you make repeatedly, automatically, until it becomes identity. You don't just want to be someone who saves. You want to be a saver. That's the shift that makes all of this permanent. Now, pick one rule from this list and commit to it this week. Not all 7, just one. If this video brought you value, like it. It helps more people find this content. Subscribe for a new no BS video on building real wealth. I'll see you in the next one.